Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sanjeev Garg. Today we are going to discuss about last solid principle, that is dependency inversion. So dependency inversion, today we will discuss what dependency inversion is, how we can use it in our code. So basically dependency inversion states that uh, high level modules should not depend on the low level modules, or both should depend on the abstraction basically. So dependency inversion principle is used to make your code more flexible, easy to test and more maintainable ways. Okay, let's try to understand it with a simple example. Okay, let's take an example. You are building a messaging service, and you first allows the email notification that you want to send. Okay, let's first we have taken a notification class here. Okay, and now you let's take email email service class email service class. Okay, here you will say public void send email. You have a method public void send email, and let's say there is a string message that you want to send over the email system.out.print. Okay, email is sent. What the message you want to send? Message. You can add here. Okay, now this is the email service and this is your notification service. In notification service you will call this email service. Okay, now in notification you have this email service this dot email service equal to email service. Okay, now there is a function void send notification. It has a string message. Okay, so what you will do, email service dot send email message. Okay, now let's make the driver class for the notification. So notification driver. Okay, so this has public static void main string args. Now you have the notification is equal to new email notification. Sorry, you have the notification new notification. Okay, and you have one email service equal to new email service. You will give this email service in the notification, and you will send notification dot send notification. Hello, my name is Sanjeev. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, so email is sent, hello my name is Sanjeev. So this is working fine. Now let's say in your messaging service you want to add a SMS service as well. Okay, let's add a SMS service as well. SMS service. Okay, now SMS service also has the same function, send SMS. Basically we can write here SMS service has the function that is send SMS send SMS message. We will write here SMS is sent. Okay, now in notification now we have another service SMS service. Okay, now SMS service also here, SMS service here, this dot SMS service equal to SMS service, and we will send okay, so string service type. We can take a variable service type, which service you want to use, whether you want to use the SMS or the email. Okay, so we will write here if service type dot equals email, we will use email service dot send email message. Else if or we can just simply use the else also, because we have these two service. Let's say we will use this send SMS. Okay, SMS service. Okay, if our service type is email, we will send the email, otherwise we will send the SMS. Okay, now we have this email service, we have this SMS service. Okay, email service, SMS service. What's the problem? Let's see. Okay, so we have the email service, we have the notification. Now we have the SMS service as well. SMS service as well equal to new SMS service. Now email service, we also send the SMS service, and we want to send the notification by which service type. Let's say I want to send the notification by email. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, yes, email is sent, hello, my name is Sanjeev. Okay, for else, let's say write anything. Let's say I write as SMS. It will go to the else part and it will run the else. SMS is sent, hello, my name is Sanjeev. So if you see in our notification class here, we are using this email service and the SMS service. Okay, so this notification service is dependent on the email and the SMS service both. So higher level, basically higher level objects, higher level class is dependent on the lower level classes. So it's violate the dependency inversion principle. According to dependency inversion principle, higher level of the objects classes should not depend on the lower level of the classes. So both should depend on the abstraction basically. So also in future, let's say if we want to allow WhatsApp notification, push notification, then also we have to modify this class. So this violates the dependency inversion principle. It makes code harder and harder to test, and it's also make code rigid. So let's how we can solve this problem with the help of dependency inversion principle. So now let's make an interface messaging service, and basically what we have to do, we have to use the abstraction. So that the higher level or the lower level both use that abstraction. So we make a messaging service, message service interface. Let's say in this we have a method void send message. Okay, there is only one, let's say, string message. Okay, now we have this email service. What it will do, it will implement this method, this interface, basically messaging service. Okay, now let's remove this, or just copy this, remove this. Okay, let's implement or override this method send message. Okay, in send message, okay, email is sent for the email service. Now another one is email. After that we have the SMS. Similarly for the SMS, remove this one. This will also implements SMS message service. Okay, now this also has the same method. Now SMS is sent. Okay, now we have this rule messaging service. Both the services, SMS service and the email service, are implementing the rule. this rule. Okay, so in notification there is no need to give this extra email notification or email or the SMS. Just write notification. Okay, now notification, and here is notification only. Just remove this one, email, and okay, so this dot notification equal to notification, and we will write here just notification dot notification dot in this rule we have this method send message. Okay, so notification dot send message, sorry, this is the notification, so here the object will come of the messaging service. So here messaging service will come, messaging service, this dot messaging service, okay, messaging service dot send message. Okay, now let's go to the driver class. On the driver class, now we have the email service, we have the SMS service. On notification, okay, in notification, what notification we want to send? Okay, we want to send only email service, so just need to pass the email service in the constructor of this notification service. Okay, just run this program. Okay, email notification, email is sent, hello my name is Sanjeev. So now similarly with the, let's do with the SMS service. Yeah, SMS is sent. Let's say now if we want to add, okay, push notification service. Okay, now it will also implement messaging rule basically, and in messaging rule we have one method that is send message. Now we'll simply write system.out.print push notification is sent. Okay, so message is here. Okay, now go to the driver class. Okay, so if you see, we want to add this push notification, we are not changing in our this notification class anymore, we are just adding a new class. Okay, in driver we will call the push notification service is equal to new push notification service, and we'll just simply send here push notification service. Okay, now push notification is sent, hello my name is Sanjeev. So this is the way how actual the dependency inversion principle works. So that's all for today. I hope you got better understanding now for the dependency inversion. So please do subscribe, comment and like my channel, so that I can make better video or more video related to these topics. Thank you guys.